Hello, my happy crafters. How is everybody doing today? So today I'm here to share with you guys a haul, and I might be missing one, so I might be sharing that other one later on, but I'm still waiting for it. It still hasn't arrived. But I'm gonna share with you guys some Prima princesses that I purchased from various sources, you guys. So these are like all over the place. Some of them are available, some of them are not, but they're like all over the place, and I went on the hunt for them. And what started the hunt was a order that I bought from Peachy Cheap, where they had, I think it was like 5 of them for like $18, and I was like, oh my goodness, that's like a mega steal. So I got that one, and then I'm going to show you guys all of them, Peachy Cheap, and all the sources that I got. So I'm going to share them with you now, and hopefully you guys can see them well. So the first one is Victoria. And I do have plans specific for these, which is why I bought so many of them. You guys are going to see I bought quite a few. So this is Victoria, and this is what it looks like. And this is how they are. They're super large, you guys. I love things in a large scale. So the ability to color into all these beautiful flowers and just be able to put all these details in, I was just like, yes, you guys, I need to get this. So that's Victoria. I'm going to start from the bottom up. This one is Suri. I don't know. I don't remember which ones came in the Peachy Cheap, but it was a nice arrangement of these. So this was Suri. She looks so pretty. I absolutely love it. And this is how big she is. Oh my god, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? That is absolutely gorgeous. The next one is this one, Angelica. That's really big, you guys. Like the stamp goes all the way. Like, it takes up the whole packaging. So really large. I love this. This one is Anastasia. And I love the fairy wings on the back. This is so pretty. And again, super large, you guys. They go from top to bottom of this packaging. This one is Ella. The one that I'm trying to find that I cannot find anywhere is Sarah, you guys. So if you guys know of anybody that's selling Sarah, or if you guys know of a link where I can find the princess for Sarah, I would really love to know that. I'm really like looking for that one. I think it's so pretty, but this is gorgeous, you guys. Oh my goodness. Wait till you guys see the things that I'm going to be making with these. This one is Grace. Isn't she pretty? I love it. Love it. This one's Madeline. And I would take them out of the pack, but I don't want to mess them up. So you guys will see them again once I start making projects with them. This one is Giselle. Isn't that pretty? Love that. This one's a little bit on the smaller side, even though it's still a pretty large one, but this is like the smaller one out of all of them. This one right here, but still beautiful. And then this one, which is Glamour. And this is a whole sheet, you guys. This is like a whole thing. You can't see the back, but it's like the whole square. And with some of the resin stuff that I have, I think some of these are going to pair up so nicely with some of these projects and some of these things that I have, some of these molds. And then the last one that I've got for this collection so far is the Sweet Tooth. And I absolutely love this. I have the, oh my god, you guys, I have the only idea in my mind for what I want to do with this. And if it comes out how I'm thinking, it's going to come out phenomenal. So we shall see, but isn't that gorgeous, you guys? I absolutely love it, love it, love it. And again, paired with some of my molds and some of the things that I have, like, you guys, it's going to be amazing. So these are the ones that I've purchased so far. Let's bring this up a little bit. So Daisy, bring it up this way, maybe. So those. These. And And then these. There we go. So all of these, you guys, I have projects already in mind for most of them. And I've been writing down my ideas as they come to me. So I shall be sharing so many awesome projects with you guys moving forward. I'm telling you guys, it's going to be so much fun, so amazing, and hopefully inspirational for you guys. I know that I'm feeling super, super inspired, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is like yumminess on a whole different level. These are like the prettiest stamps I've seen, and oh my god, you guys, the size is so big. I love it, love it, love it. So that's it for this haul share, you guys. Let me know what you guys would like to see. If you guys have any ideas for any kind of projects that you would like to see, regardless if it's paper projects, altered projects, or mixed media projects. Let me know how you would like to see me use some of these stamps. I would love to hear some of your ideas, and definitely I can incorporate some of those into my to-do list for the upcoming videos. So let me know down below. Give me some of your feedback. Which one is your favorite from Victoria, Suri, Ella, Angelica, Grace, Anastasia, Madeline, or the Glamour, or Sweet Tooth and Giselle? Which one of these Prima princesses is your favorite? Would love to hear that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.